Hi, hello guys, 𝗦𝗬𝗪𝒠lides here. We create excellent presentations. In this quick video, I will teach you how to create 3D text in PowerPoint but without using 3D. So yeah, I think you will like it, and let's get started. So let's create a new slide, right click, new slide. And of course we can get rid of these two text boxes, so right click, layout, and just take blank layout. Alright, so the first step is to create this text. As you can see, I used 𝗬𝙗 font, so let's do it. And let's type 3D text. That's perfect. Of course we can make the font bigger, so change the size to 166. And of course we can change the font to 𝗬𝙗. We can make it bold. As you can see, this is the subtle difference, but a little bit difference. And of course we can align it to the center. That's fine. So we can change the font color. You can click here and please change the font color to this blue. Alright, and now we need to create a duplicate of this object, so just click Ctrl and D on your keyboard. As you can see here, I have the first copy of this text, and I can change the color of this font to a little bit darker. Let's set this one. So we need to select all of those two objects. We need to go to the shape format, align center, and align middle. As you can see, right now we can group these two shapes, so Ctrl and G, and we can position it to the center of this slide, right here. Alright, now we can ungroup those two shapes, so Ctrl, Shift and G, and select the object that is above the first one, and you can just use your arrows to change the position of this object. So let's say 5 right arrows, 5 down arrows, 5 right, 5 down. And as you can see, this is something similar, but originally the light blue color was above this darker. So we need to select it, right click, and send to back. As you can see, that looks the same. And the last thing is to just create this text box. That's really easy. Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And of course you can modify the position as you wish, as you can see right here. So basically we didn't use 3D effects in PowerPoint. We just added the first copy of this object. We changed the color and we changed the position. And that's why this first copy acts like a shadow, right? So that's really simple, but I would like to show you the second way to do it. And I think it will be a little bit more convenient way. So basically you need to select your text box, right click, and go to the format shape. Here you have text options, so click here. Here you have text effects, so go in here, and shadow. And just take your shadow, let's say this color. And as you can see right now, there is some blur. So we would like to set blur to 0 points, and we can change the distance as you can see here. So let's set distance to maybe 10, and of course we can change the angle as you can see right here. So let's set maybe 40, maybe 30 degree, and I think we can lower the distance a little bit. Yeah. And well, actually, as you can see, the final effect is almost the same, I would say. But this way, the second way, is in my opinion better, because for instance, let's say you would like here to insert some word. And as you can see, in this case, this shadow was also added, but in the first way, if you would like to add also some word, as you can see, it does not work. So the second way is, in my opinion, better. So text options, here, shadow, and you can set your shadow. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.